Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Jabra Move style edition to your laptop computer with a Bluetooth. So in order to do this, first let's open Bluetooth on our laptop or computer, if you have one of course. So we can move on to the settings. Here find Bluetooth and devices. Now click on add device. From here enable your Jabras and make sure that they are on the Bluetooth by holding this button up like this. The blue light should start flashing and then we can click on Bluetooth again on our laptop. Here wait till the device is visible. If it can't find it, we can also try holding this button up again. And here they are. Now let's click on them and they should connect. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.